Here's another NFT project that will make you really mad. Someone is selling pixelated cartoon NFTs of George Floyd. In their Twitter handle, they say that the Floydies are a unique and progressive way to celebrate the monumental life of George Floyd, but the racist elements and themes are scattered throughout the whole project. For one, the name of the project is Floyd Dies. Apparently, they also say every Floydie comes with a N-word pass. Owners of this NFT can also participate in a game called Floydy Bird with a BLM mode. I mean, from the bloodshot eyes to everything about this NFT is horrible. What are your thoughts? Follow for more NFT news.
This NFT project scammed over $1.3 million from its buyers. The Big Daddy Ape Club is a Solana NFT project that just recently pulled off one of the largest scams in the NFT space. Once the release happened, they completely sold out, but the buyers realized they didn't receive an NFT. The scammers were able to walk away with over 9,000 Solana, which is equivalent to over $1.3 million. They have completely disabled all of their social media accounts and their Discord, and now seem to have gone ghost. This is absolutely terrible. And that's how
You want to make money with NFTs with zero money? I got you. Alright, so first you go to this website. Then you hit create. Then you download this program to make assets and games. No coding necessary. You can create them for free, build and share, and no coding required. Then you go to the market and then you start selling them. Look at that. I do the research for you so you don't have to, so why not follow?
Those two balls are identical. This one is mine, this one is not. After I exchange them, I can't tell which one is mine, but it doesn't matter because they have the same value. This means that these balls are fungible. In other words, they are interchangeable. Imagine that Serena signs this ball. I'm gonna do it because she isn't here. Now I can rapidly differentiate it because it no longer has the same value. It becomes non-fungible. I can prove it's mine because it has a specific signature. The ball becomes unique. NFTs, which stands for non-fungible token, are exactly like those balls. But we're talking about digital assets, a photo, a video, a sound on which we add a unique code that proves that you are the only owner. Here you go. Now you know what an NFT is. You'll learn more in the next videos, but until then, you can join my community on Discord. Some fun surprises are coming up on there.
All right, this is NFTs explained as if you were a child. So I have this Taylor Swift Reputation Tour ticket right here, but how do you know it's real? The short answer is you don't know it's real. So if I were to list this on eBay, it could be a counterfeit unless it came with a certificate of authenticity or a receipt. Okay, but I want to use technology to make this easier. So I have the certificate of authenticity, and let's just pretend that I can imprint this certificate onto the ticket as a line of code. So this object now has that line of code saying that it's real. Okay, this next part, you're gonna have to use your imagination for a bit, but this is a physical object and NFTs are digital objects. So let's pretend for a quick second that this is living on the computer as an NFT right here. Because you own that NFT online, perhaps Taylor Swift one day mentions to her fans, hey, if you hold my NFT, you get access to my secret sessions where I'm gonna play you my next album. This is where it gets interesting. Let's pretend you have a friend named Brenna. She really likes Taylor Swift as well, and she wants to steal your NFT so that she can get into the secret session. She goes and she screenshots it, but the problem is that even though she has the screenshot, it's not actually the real NFT. So NFTs are digital assets with proven authenticity, and the value of them is how much someone else is willing to pay for it.